How to stream Netflix on Discord mobile. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar and search for Discord. Now open up the first website. Now click on Open Discord in your browser. Now go to your server. Now next to your server name, you will see a down arrow, tap on it and click on App Directory. Now search for Netflix. Now open up the first bot. Now click on Add App. Now select your server and click on Continue. Now tap on Authorize. Now complete the CAPTCHA and tap on Go to Server. Now after adding the bot, you can go to your chat section, tap on the message box and type /hey Netflix to stream and type. So after adding the bot, you can go to your chat box and type /hey stream to stream your So after adding the bot, you can go to chat box and type /hey stream to stream Netflix on Discord mobile. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or a suggested topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.